Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2018 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.